V Avenue! Magbinisaya ta!
Kumusta mo? Ako si Kier, taga Cebu. Nagpuyo ko sa Talisay City. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach.
Kumusta mong tanan? Ako si Mitch, taga Cebu. Nagpuyo pod go sa Talisay City. Gatrabaho sa Pagila Studios, isip sa ka-host. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, ganahan ko magsuroy-suroy kuyog akong mga barkada. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, mag-video kay pud ko. Nindot kay mag-video kay.
Okay, slow down. Okay, wait a minute. So, I know you guys watching this program, we don't have any idea what they're talking about. Okay, so since this is the first episode of V Avenue, what we're gonna do is we're gonna break down the words that they just said, and of course we're gonna put some subtitles so you can follow as they say it. Volume 1, today's episode, Paila-ila, to introduce. Take a look.
Kumusta mo? Ako si Kier, taga Cebu. Nagpuyo ko sa Talisay City. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach.
Kumusta mong tanan? Ako si Mitch, taga Cebu. Nagpuyo pod go sa Talisay City. Gatrabaho sa Pagila Studios, isip sa ka-host. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, ganahan ko magsuroy-suroy kuyog akong mga barkada. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, mag-video kay pud ko. Nindot kay mag-video kay.
Now that was great, and wow, we were able to follow Kier and Mitch. Thanks to that subtitle at the bottom of the screen. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna pick up some of Kier's sentences for today. We're not gonna get the whole stuff that they just said, and we're gonna learn it and have fun. So take a look.
Kumusta mo? Kumusta mo? Kumusta mo? Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Sulayin ninyo, dali ra kayo.
Kumusta mo? Kumusta mo? Kumusta mo?
This expression means how are you? Kumusta means like the how, and mo is like you guys. It's a plural form. So kumusta mo means how are you guys?
Ako si Kier. Ako si Kier. Ako si Kier.
Ako si Kier.
Ako si Kier.
Now this is a very basic expression in Visayan. This means I am Kier. So ako means I, si means am, and then Kier the name. So if you just change the name here, like ako si, and then the blank, you can use this expression anytime. This is a very useful expression. Take a look at this one. Ako si, for example, Jason. Ako si Jason. Ako si Diana. Ako si Diana. And you can also say, ako si Mr. Anderson. Ako si Mr. Anderson. Then you have, ako si Mrs. Kim. You can change it, any name, and then it's really useful anywhere, anytime. Ako si, and then the name.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Sulayin ninyo, dali ra kayo.
Okay, guys, it's your turn. Ako si, and then your name. Come on, do it. Ako si... Next one.
Taga Cebu.
Now, taga, let's check it out.
Taga Cebu. Taga Cebu. Taga Cebu.
Taga here means from. Cebu is a place. Listen again.
Taga Cebu.
Kier just said he is from Cebu. So taga means from, and then you just put the name of the place, a country, a street address, like this one. Taga New York. Taga New York. Taga Paris. You can say taga Madrid. Taga Sydney. Taga London. Taga Busan. Taga Sendai. You just change the name of the place and then you're good to go. It's easy, isn't it? Taga and then the name of the place. Taga Iraq. That's funny. Okay, take a look at this one.
Nakasabot mo?
Dalira kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Sulayin ninyo, dalira kayo.
Now you guys try it. Taga and then where you live. Come on, you can do it.
Nagpuyo ko sa Talisay City. 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 Nagpuyo ko sa Talisay City.
Nagpuyo ko sa Talisay City means I live in Talisay City. Nagpuyo means live. Ko is I and sa is the destination. It means in or to. So when you say nagpuyo ko sa plus the name of the place, like nagpuyo ko sa New York City, it means I live in New York City. Nagpuyo ko sa Jeonju Province. Nagpuyo ko sa Tokyo. Nagpuyo ko sa Sun City, Africa. Nagpuyo ko sa Toronto. You can just change it. And you're all good to go. Nagpuyo ko sa, then you can try it.
Nakasabot mo?
Dalira kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Sulayin ninyo, dalira kayo.
Okay, now you guys have been wondering what Kier and Mitch have been saying during this part. So we're just going to break it down one by one because what they're saying here is very, very important. So we're going to put some subtitles. We're going to follow them. And we're going to tell you what each sentence mean. So let's do it.
Nakasabot mo?
Dalira kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Sulayin ninyo, dalira kayo.
Nakasabot mo?
Dalira kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Sulayin ninyo, dalira kayo.
Nakasabot mo?
Dalira kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Sulayin ninyo, dalira kayo.
Nakasabot mo? Nakasabot mo? Nakasabot mo?
Nakasabot means, do you guys understand? Do all of you understand? Nakasabot means understand. Mo is a plural form of you guys, you.
Nakasabot mo?
Dalira kayo no.
Nakasabot mo?
Dalira kayo no.
Nakasabot mo?
Dalira kayo no. Dalira kayo no. Dalira kayo no. Dalira kayo no.
Now Mitch said here, dali ra kaayo no means it's easy, isn't it? Dali means easy. Ra, it's like the it's. Kaayo is like very or much. And then the no is like right or isn't it? So this is a very, very common expression when you say dali ra kayo no. Dali ra kayo no. It means it's easy, isn't it? Or it's easy, right?
Dali ra kayo no.
Dali ra kayo no. Dali ra kayo no.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pod. Kamo na pod. Kamo na pod. Kamo na pod.
This expression means it's your turn, or you guys, it's your turn. Kamo means you. It's a plural form of you, you guys, or all of you. Napod, pod means also, or like two. Pod, again. Kamo na pod means it's your turn.
Kamo na pod.
Kamo na pod.
Kamo na pod.
Kamo na pod.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Surayin ninyo, dali ra kayo. Surayin ninyo, dali ra kayo. Surayin ninyo, dali ra kayo. Surayin ninyo, dali ra kayo.
Sulayin ninyo means try it. Ninyo, sulayi means try it. Try. Ninyo means you guys or all of you. So sulayin ninyo means you guys or all of you try it. And then dali ra kaayo, Mitch already said it. So dali ra kaayo means it's easy. So you guys try it. It's easy. Got it? Oh, I'm sure you got it.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Surayin ninyo, dali ra kayo.
Now, we all understand what they have been saying, and they're just checking us if we understand everything, what they're saying. So this is going to keep on repeating. We're going to remove the subtitles so that your ears will just listen to it, and it's going to enhance your listening skills. Take a look at this one.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Surayin ninyo, dali ra kayo.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Surayin ninyo, dali ra kayo.
Nakasabot mo?
Dali ra kayo no.
Kamo na pod.
Surayin ninyo, dali ra kayo.
So today, in this episode, we learned kumusta mo, which means, how are you guys? Or, how is everyone? And ako si. And then the name, which means, I am, and then your name, or any name that you like to say, or any other person's name. And then we have taga, which means from, like taga New York City, taga Cebu, taga Vancouver, taga London. So you can just use it anytime. And then you have nagpuyo ko sa, which means I live in. So you can just put there the name of the place or the address, the street. Nagpuyo ko sa 24 White Road, New York City. Nagpuyo ko sa Jinju Province. Nagpuyo ko sa Saudi Arabia. Nagpuyo ko sa Cebu. Nagpuyo ko sa Italy. Nagpuyo ko sa Thailand. Nagpuyo ko sa Europe. So it's up to you, and it depends on the situation. So these expressions are very, very basic and very, very useful. So don't forget it. And we're going to be checking out the other sentences that Kier and Mitch just said in the first part of this episode in the next episode. So take a look at this one, and thank you so much. Kier and Mitch really had so much fun.
Kumusta mo? Ako si Kier, taga Cebu. Nagpuyo ko sa Talisay City. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach. Lingaw kaayo sa?
Lingaw kayo, nakasabot man mo no.
Basta practice lang jud mo. Ang importante ani kay magsige lang gyud tag padayon og practice ug maminaw mo sa mga ubang tao nga magstorya og Binisaya.
Aron makuha ra sa iyong utok ang impormasyon ug maanad mo og paminaw sa mga tawo nga nagistorya og Binisaya,
Magkita-kita ta balik ari lang sa V Avenue. Magbinisaya ta.
For more information, you may like us on Facebook. Just simply go to facebook.com/Visayan Avenue. Thank you so much for joining us today.